What's up guys, let's talk about Season 3 Renegades. And we have an interesting development going right here. When I made a video about them, I was thinking that Drowner and Donna Rosa is going to be the strongest renegades for Season 3. Their combination is going to be awesome. But it's look like the story is going to be completely different. Now we have a new addition that I think can be potentially the strongest renegade in the game, and I think it's going to be the Megalodon. I have some few battle reports on your screen that you can see. He is absolutely amazing. He's getting a lot of renegade skill, and it's look like that he's going to challenge Jair for that first position for the renegade. And there is something different between Jair and Megalodon. Jair favors shooter players more than biker players. He take advantage of gunners. But for Megalodon, he's going to take advantage of aggressive bulkers like T9 Scorpion, Tactical Scorpions, T11 bulkers guys. He is more better for biker players than Jair. Jair is great guys, no doubt Jair is still the strongest renegade in the game. But I think Megalodon has the potential or already can defeat Jair for that first place. Now let's take a look at his skills. He's going to put a bleed effect lasting 2 rounds on 2 random enemy bulker and biker. Damage is going to be 75%. He's going to deal 1 general damage to the target. The skill look absolutely normal skill, nothing special about this. Now the second skill is also bleed effect, but it's going to last 2 rounds on 3 random enemy crew member classes, and the damage bonus is going to be 75% at level 1, and we can increase it to further. I think it's going to be 150 if you max this whole skill out. The first skill is going to do damage on 2 random enemy bulker biker classes, and the second skill is going to damage 3 random enemy member classes. So I believe that's going to be total 5 enemy members that he's going to damage. We know that Lanchin can damage 4 random enemy members. We have seen how much kill she can get. Now just think about this, that Megalodon can do 5 random enemy members at 3 star. That's a lot of family members guys. Especially if you're going up against a biker player, you will take advantage of Megalodon a lot better. Now let's take a look at his third skill. That's the one where he is different from all the other renegades. His third skill is stating that it's going to be passive skill guys. So it's going to be active all the time. If you have unlocked this, it's going to be activate on all battles. As you can see, the trigger rate is 100%. After enemy crew member have received a bleed effect 3 times, put a much stronger bleed effect lasting 3 rounds. Bleed effects deal 1 general damage to the target end of each round. While the effect is active, the damage bonus is going to be 150%. You guys see this? First level, he is going to do a damage bonus of 150%. So if you are going to max this whole thing out, I believe you will have somewhere around 450% of damage at level 10. This is a Jair level skill guys, and he's absolutely going to destroy lots of players. If you have him 3 star, and I believe he's going to be very expensive to get 3 star, but once you get him 3 star, you're absolutely going to destroy all the other players. He's a first slot renegade definitely, and if you're thinking that you will use him with Jair first slot, Jair at second slot, it's not going to work guys. First slot strongest slot, and the second and third slot are just for support. So you cannot use him with Jair, especially in a map where he's going to take stamina like season map, city royal map. You need to save Jair. Once the Megalodon is out of stamina, then you can use Jair at first slot. These 2 renegades are made for first slot. You cannot use them for second slot at all. So just don't think about that you will use him and Jair and absolutely going to destroy the enemy. The damage on those second and third slot, it's nothing guys compared to the first slots. First slot is the most important. So with this, I really believe that Megalodon is going to be the strongest renegade in the game. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. But judging by his final skill and everything looking so far, I think he can really beat Jair. If you have something that I don't cover about this renegade in the video, let me know in the comment section below. But I think in my views he's going to be the strongest renegade. That was up guys. Make sure you like the video, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in another one. Until then, take care, stay safe. Peace.